Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to talk a little bit about Rivians and what's going on with Rivian after hours. As you can see here, I have a little bit of shares with Rivians, and after hours it's right now it's plus $6.59 right now, and looks like it's coming back down a little bit, but that's like after hours like 54%. So what happened to Rivian? What caused it to have a major increase in this? So let's jump over to Yahoo, and then we're gonna find out real quick. Okay, so basically, Rivian stock soars as Volkswagen says it will invest up to $5 billion in new joint ventures. So this is a good news for Rivian. So all this time I thought Apple would be buying Rivian, and because we all know that Apple been for about 10 years they've been working on an Apple car, but after 10 years they not too long ago, maybe about within last month, they decided to not go through with that plan and just destroyed everything, and then they just concentrate onto AI. And so now with this, given Volkswagen see the opportunity in Rivian, and they're gonna do a joint venture. I think this is gonna be good for both company as well too, because Rivian is burning cash, and now with this, Rivian's they're gonna be producing the next generation's vehicle, and I think in maybe last month they were introducing the new R2, and we thought it was just only the R2, but however they also announced the R3 as well too, which is great. So the R1T and R1S is more like just like a higher end vehicles, and the R2, it's more like going to the mass out there. So they're competing with the Model Y price range. So which is, once if they can mass market the R2 and then the R3, which is additional, where like a niche market, I think Rivians will be good. And let's read about this article, and then we'll see. So Rivian shares are surging in extended hours after the EV maker announced a joint venture deal with Volkswagen, crucially bringing fresh capital into Rivian's coffers. Right. So Irvine, California-based Rivian shares were up over 40% in after hours trading. So now it's even more. It's like over 54%. So Volkswagen announced its intent to work with Rivian to create next generation software-defined vehicle (SDV) architecture to be used in both companies' future EVs. The joint venture will use Rivian Zono's hardware designs and platform for the foundation of future vehicles, as well as Rivian's electrical architecture expertise for the vehicles. Rivian will license its existing IP rights to the joint venture. So as you can see right here, Rivian was just before after hours only $11.96, and right after, bam, $18.60. And this is pretty updated, pretty close, really good right there. So all in all, this is great news for, I guess we can say, for both companies too, as well, for Volkswagen as well as for Rivians. And I think the same is going to be coming for Lucid as well too. So Lucid is another American company too, and I think eventually another legacy auto maker will either invest joint venture or something, or sometimes just licensing Lucid their technologies, because I think that's a good thing. But one way or another, it's going to be good for us consumers, because when they mass produce, the vehicles will be a lot cheaper. And and I actually like Rivian's vehicle. First, I didn't really, when it first came out, I really didn't like it because of the headlights, but for some reason, keep on looking at it and seeing like people driving it on the street more and more, I started to like Rivian. So, and that's why I bought a few shares of Rivian. So, and hopefully it's gonna go up, and hopefully I can eventually one day own a Rivian, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this vehicle, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, see you next time.